Welcome to another episode of Auto UK. Today, we have something truly revolutionary to share with you: the 2026 Chevrolet Camper Tricycle. This innovative vehicle is set to redefine the way we think about travel and adventure. The 2026 Chevrolet Camper Tricycle combines the freedom of a motorcycle with the comfort of a camper, offering a unique blend of mobility and convenience. Its three-wheel design provides stability, while the compact camper unit ensures you have all the essentials for life on the road. Let's delve into the specifics. The camper tricycle is powered by an advanced electric motor, delivering impressive performance while maintaining eco-friendly credentials. With a full charge, you're looking at a range of approximately 300 miles, making it ideal for both short getaways and extended journeys. One of the standout features is its compact size. Unlike traditional RVs, the camper tricycle allows you to navigate through city streets and narrow country roads with ease. Parking is a breeze, and you'll have access to places larger vehicles can only dream of reaching. Now, let's talk about the camper unit itself. Despite its compact exterior, Chevrolet has ingeniously designed the interior to maximize space and functionality. The camper includes a comfortable sleeping area, a mini kitchen equipped with essential appliances, and ample storage for your travel gear. Safety hasn't been overlooked either. The camper tricycle comes equipped with advanced safety features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a robust braking system. These technologies work together to provide a secure and confident driving experience. For those concerned about charging infrastructure, Chevrolet has partnered with a network of charging stations to ensure that you're never far from a power source. Additionally, the tricycle supports fast charging capabilities, allowing you to recharge up to 80% in just under an hour. Customization is another area where the camper tricycle shines. Chevrolet offers a range of options to tailor the vehicle to your preferences. Whether it's choosing the exterior color, selecting interior finishes, or adding optional accessories like solar panels or bike racks, you can make the camper tricycle truly your own. In terms of driving experience, the camper tricycle offers a smooth and responsive ride. The electric motor provides instant torque, ensuring quick acceleration when needed. The vehicle's low center of gravity and balanced weight distribution contribute to its stable handling, even on winding roads. For tech enthusiasts, the camper tricycle doesn't disappoint. The digital dashboard provides real-time information on speed, battery levels, and navigation. Connectivity features allow you to sync your devices, access entertainment options, and even monitor the vehicle's systems remotely via a dedicated app. Living sustainably is a key consideration for many travelers today, and the camper tricycle aligns with this ethos. Its electric powertrain produces zero emissions, and the option to add solar panels enhances its green credentials, allowing you to harness renewable energy during your adventures. Let's hear from some early adopters who have taken the camper tricycle on the road. We've always loved traveling, but traditional RVs were just too cumbersome for us. The camper tricycle has been a game changer. It's nimble, efficient, and has all the comforts we need. Plus, it's great knowing we're reducing our carbon footprint. As with any vehicle, it's important to consider maintenance. The camper tricycle's electric motor requires less upkeep than traditional combustion engines. Routine checks of the battery, tires, and braking system are straightforward, and Chevrolet's extensive service network is available to assist with any needs. In terms of cost, the camper tricycle is positioned competitively within the market. While the initial investment is comparable to mid-range RVs, the savings on fuel and lower maintenance costs make it an economically sound choice in the long run. For those interested in exploring the camper tricycle further, Chevrolet offers test drive events and has a comprehensive online configurator. This tool allows you to design your ideal tricycle, exploring different features and pricing options to suit your budget and preferences. In conclusion, the 2026 Chevrolet Camper Tricycle represents a bold step forward in the world of recreational vehicles. It offers the freedom of the open road, the comforts of home, and the satisfaction of sustainable travel, all in a sleek, innovative package. Whether you're a solo traveler seeking new horizons or a couple looking for a versatile adventure vehicle, the camper tricycle is worth considering. It's more than just a mode of transportation, it's a gateway to new experiences and memories waiting to be made. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the future of travel. Stay tuned to Auto UK for more insights into the latest automotive innovations. Until next time, safe travels.